Hi, my name is Alex Peel. I'm the Publications Development Coordinator at the Legal Services Society. My job is to do some research and development into publications, as well as to do distribution into the community with our publications. So I'm here to talk to you today about a brochure we developed last year called Is Your Client Safe? About a year and a half ago, we were approached by the Ending Violence Association, known as EVA for short, to see if we wanted to partner with them to develop a publication that was meant for family law lawyers. And the purpose of it was to educate family lawyers on how to recognize risk indicators of relationship violence in their client. So when their clients came in for an interview, they could know indicators that they might pick up on to tell that there was a risk of violence, and then hopefully take steps to prevent that violence. So we did some research and we found that there was materials like this available for advocates, but nothing available for lawyers. So we entered a partnership with EVA and we co-hosted a focus session with family law lawyers to ask them how we could make a brochure that they would use and would be helpful to educate them on these risk factors. In this session, they told us that what they would really like is some really short, succinct, printed information that gave them a definition of what relationship violence was, as well as what the indicators were to look for in their clients. And then what they wanted were links or web addresses of where to get more information if they needed more information on various topics. So we took that and we developed this brochure. The brochure gives that information. It also links to 5 online fact sheets that provide additional information as requested. So there's one on encouraging disclosure for lawyers. There's also one on client resources. So if they do see those indicators, they can just print out these resources for their client and give them to the client, so the client has some resources about next steps. There's also some legal resources online for the lawyers if they'd like more information. The next one we have is some safety planning for lawyers and their staff, because we know sometimes when a lawyer has a client who's in a risky relationship violence situation, that the lawyer and their staff can be at risk as well. So we have some tips for them. And then finally, of course, safety planning for the client. So if the lawyer or their staff does perceive this risk of violence, they can print off some information for the client on how to keep themselves safe. We got the brochure printed and distributed this past April. All the fact sheets are available online. You can view the brochure and order the brochure on our website, as well as view the PDF online documents by going to the LSS website, the publications page. They're all available under abuse and family violence subject. You can send us an email with your feedback on this or any other LSS publication by emailing us at publications@lss.bc.ca. Thanks, look forward to hearing from you.